Hi, this is Ron Nutter and welcome to another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the Sawyer SP128 water filtration system and 3 things you need to know. Number 1, despite its size, it's capable of filtering up to 100,000 gallons. Nice thing to know on something that compact. Thing number 2, it connects to a pouch or bottle with a standard 28mm thread neck. So you get one that's available there. They've got the larger one, so you don't have to be drinking right out of the straw, so that gets you a little bit of relief when the water's not working or you're out camping and you've exhausted your water supply. Thing number 3, this removes, according to the manufacturer, 99.999% of all bacteria and protozoa and 100% of microplastics. Again, this is a claim by the vendor. If you want to have any additional questions on that, you need to talk to the folks at Sawyer because they would best be able to explain the lab testing that they've done. Thing number 4, and this is a bonus. Each filter is tested at the plant 3 times before they let it go out the door because they want to make sure it's working. Now you're going to ask, well, hey Ron, why is this big syringe there? Well, you have to clean it out occasionally, so this allows you to force water through the other way because you got to, well, I guess the term's back flushing, so you want to make sure that you've got that all up and running. This is a handy thing to have in an emergency. Now, I would encourage you very strongly to go to Sawyer's website. There's certain kinds of water you cannot filter with this. It's not gonna, you can't use it on salt water. That's a whole nother, that's a desalinization process, which is beyond here. But this is like if you're out hiking somewhere and you need a little bit of water, going through a creek or a stream that's there is really what this is targeted towards. So just, do some reading, get prepared, but this is something handy to have both in your vehicle and at home. So if something happens, you have got some options to deal with on getting water until you either get back to civilization or service gets